Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Today I want to make for you another cocktail from the Office cocktail book, which is this one here. And I'm making for you a Scofflaw, and a very interesting and tasty cocktail. And again, as I said, this is a series where I'm making cocktails from the Office, which is based in Chicago. And I'm going through their cocktail book and making every single cocktail. So today, again, it's the Scofflaw. And the ingredients basically are 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. We also have 1 ounce of a dry vermouth. We have half an ounce of lemon juice, half an ounce of grenadine syrup, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then we're going to have a dash of bitters, and we're going to garnish with just a twist of a bit of orange. So let's just go ahead and make the cocktail. So I'm going to start first with getting my Boston shaker. We're going to go ahead here and get our measuring cup. And we're going to start with the 1.5 ounces of the rye whiskey. All right, that's 1.5 ounces. We're going to do 1 ounce of the vermouth, dry vermouth. We're going to do half an ounce of lemon juice. Half an ounce of this. Great. Then we're going to next do half an ounce of grenadine, which is right here. Here we go. Let's get her out. Good. That's half an ounce of grenadine. Now that's going to give that nice bright red color. And then we're going to do 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, which is equal parts granulated sugar and water. That's 1/4 ounce. And you just take granulated sugar along with warm water, pour over it and stir it, and it dissolves. And that's your simple syrup. But you want to use a scale, so you want to measure this in grams. So you wouldn't want to use like a measuring cup filled with sugar and then a measuring cup with water, because it wouldn't be accurate. So it's always best to use a scale. So let's say you use the scale, you said like 100 grams of granulated sugar and 100 grams of water, then it's accurate. And then we're going to just do a dash of Angostura bitters, but it's orange bitters. That's a dash. And then I have some ice now. We're going to add some ice to our cocktail shaker. And the ice is going to help with dilution and also to chill the cocktail as well. So that's the whole purpose of the ice. This is pretty much what you call working ice. So you want it nice and chilled. We are actually not going to serve this over ice. We just want it nice and chilled, but we're going to double strain it. So I'm going to pour this back into here. Let's flip it and let's shake. I think that should be good. This always embarrasses me. But the ingredients are fantastic. But it's just allow it to rest for a bit. So again, we're making a Scofflaw. Just to recap, we used the 1.5 ounces of the rye whiskey. We used 1 ounce of dry vermouth, half an ounce of lemon juice, half an ounce of grenadine, 1/4 ounce of the simple syrup, and a dash of the orange bitters. And we just shook it. We put it in a Boston shaker, which is what I have here. And then we are going to double strain it now into this glass here. So I have a strainer and I have a Hawthorne strainer as well. So we're going to double strain this into here. Lovely. Just going to put this to the side. I'm going to take my orange and I'm just going to give a peel here. You could also use, if you have what's called a channel knife, you can use that as well, which works perfect. But I'm actually I don't have a channel knife, unfortunately. But what I will do here is I will make a nice little twist with this. So make a nice twist and add to my cocktail. So you could kind of twist it around your little finger, or you can twist it around your index finger. But a nice little twist right there to our cocktail. So there you have it. This is the Scofflaw cocktail. It looks beautiful. Now let's just go ahead and taste this cocktail now. That is a lovely cocktail. It's a really imaginative cocktail, and one, you know, you're by the bar with some friends and you just sip on this here for the next hour and a half over a lovely conversation. So it's a lovely cocktail. I really am enjoying it. So again, this is a Scofflaw. So again, if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell. And again, I'm John Hazzard, and for me it's not only all about food today, but it's all about the Scofflaw cocktail from the Office Cocktail Book, which is based in Chicago. I'll see you next time on All About Food.